Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni or Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here. It had multiple issues. One of them was that the pressure stat completely blew up. As you can see, it's completely burned, and so did some of the electrical connections that we had to replace. So we pretty much ended up replacing the pressure stat and replacing all these electrical connections that were burned and some of the wires that were in bad condition. We also replaced the boiler gasket because it was leaking from the bottom. That could possibly be the cause of why this thing pretty much shorted out and blew up. And we also replaced the give the machine a tune-up. We also replaced the side glass casing. We still haven't installed it, but this is the older one. We're gonna install a new one in there. And this is the gasket from the group head, the piston holder, side glass, steam valve, steam knob, and steam tank. And yeah, we pretty much replaced all the gaskets on this machine. We also deep cleaned the portafilter, nice and shiny, and adjusted the machine at a good temperature. Let's release some of the steam coming out of it so we can pretty much check the steamer and make the machine to heat up better. It's right now 1 bar, which is perfect for this kind of machine. And as you can see, it has extremely good steam coming out of the machine, working perfectly. And the water flow from the group head, it's excellent. And there you have it, the Pavoni working once again. So thank you for having Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day. And thanks for watching.